Last weekend, we once more traveled to Culebra Island to continue with our monitoring and sampling of coral fragments after the impacts of Hurricanes Irma and Maria. Differently from previous missions involving numerous people to help set the experiments, this time the team consisted of a streamlined group of 6 researchers able to perform all tasks associated with current monthly sampling. Barely 1 month after the experiment setup in the reef, our main concern was the level of survival of coral fragments. So we checked on every fragment individually and took graphic data for morphometric analysis. Additionally, we collected tissue samples for epigenetic and physiological analysis. We evaluated photosynthetic efficiency using a diving palm fluorometer and installed additional light, salinity, and temperature sensors. While our arrival to Culebra was greeted by high seas and strong winds gently shaking the ferry shuttle, work above and underwater was surprisingly smooth. Our experimental plots were intact, and we were happy to see that coral mortality was below 15%. This was a remarkable feature, as the studies dealing with coral fragments derived from nurseries usually report up to 30% mortality in the first month post-outplanting. These results made us feel really optimistic about the potential results of our study. Most of the surviving fragments looked healthy and showed signs of growth and ramification, but there were signs of algae and cyanobacteria proliferation in our Carlos Rosario site too. This site is closer to the main Culebra Island. This observation could be related with the increase in terrestrial runoff caused by the recent rain, worsened by several fires that have been occurring in the island during the last months. Consequently, we collected algal samples to evaluate potential increases in nutrients linked to such phenomena. Overall, this trip was successful in all aspects, except for one thing, coined now as the pizza paradigm. Every day after working in the reef, another challenge starts in the form of finding an affordable diner place in the island. The only place consistently open is a pizza restaurant. However, pizza is fun when that is a choice you make, not when it becomes an imposed dinner every night. Next time, we are making our own barbecue dinner. We all are very excited with the progress of this project overall. We will continue to work hard to obtain results that improve our understanding of coral reefs' responses to global change.